Chapter 3 Windows 8. Let us know Windows 8, features of Windows 8, starting Windows 8. Working with Start Screen. Using the Zoom icon. Operating an application tile. Opening any program or application. Closing an application. Navigating Windows 8. Hi children, Rohit wants to print a Word file he has made on his computer. For this, he just has to open his file and give print command. The Word file will be printed by the computer automatically. The operating system is the main software of a computer. It acts as an interface between user and computer. It supports a computer's basic functions such as scheduling tasks and controlling peripherals. Windows 8. Windows 8 is a personal computer operating system developed by Microsoft as part of the Windows NT family of operating systems. It incorporates a number of improvements and innovations over the previous Windows versions to make working on computer a simpler, faster, and refreshing experience. Features of the Windows 8 operating system are as follows. 1. It provides a graphical user interface, that is GUI, to work on the computer. 2. It allows to make a copy of their OS complete with their settings, wallpapers, files, and even apps into a USB drive. 3. It allows you to open many programs at the same time to work in. 4. Snap multitasking is designed to make it easy to run two apps in Windows 8 side by side, to resize them and to switch between them. On the right hand side of the screen, you can snap an app into place. 5. Windows 8 is equally suitable for both touchscreen devices and mouse-operated computers. 6. The load and boot-up speed has improved significantly over Windows predecessors. When compared to Windows 7 desktop CPU, Windows 8 has an even speedier boot time. Starting Windows 8. When you switch on your computer, Windows 8 starts automatically. After some time, a screen similar to one shown below appears. This is the start screen of Windows 8. Left scroll arrow, tiles, scroll bar, right scroll arrow, zoom icon, Windows 8 start screen. The start screen is the home screen of your computer. Its main parts are 1. Tiles. Tiles are rectangular graphics display on the start screen. Windows 8 live titles are interactive apps that use the internet to bring live updates to users of Windows 8. Live tiles sit on the Windows 8 start screen and are useful for having instantaneous information on constantly changing data like stock indexes, international weather, as well as local and international news. 2. Scroll bar. The scroll bar can be dragged towards right to see the titles that lie beyond the right edge on the start screen. You can also move the scroll bar left or right by clicking on the scroll arrows. 3. Scroll arrows. Scroll arrows lie on both sides of the scroll bar. You can click left and right scroll arrows to scroll the start screen to left and right respectively. 4. Zoom icon. Clicking this icon shows you the entire start screen with all the tiles. Clicking again will bring back the start screen and tiles to the normal size. Notice that some start screen area is empty or blank as no tiles are placed there. Did you know? Windows 8 has a specially designed touch-based interface that is easy to use on touch-based devices. Working with Start Screen. Working with Start Screen is a lot of fun. Here we will learn to perform some basic but very important tasks with the Start Screen. Moving the Start Screen. You can move the Start Screen left and right by dragging the scroll bar. This will let you see tiles that lie beyond the right edge of the screen. Steps to move the Start Screen are as: Step 1. Bring mouse pointer over the scroll bar. Step 2. Click and hold down the left mouse button. Step 3. Drag the scroll bar to the right. Tiles that lie beyond the right edge will now become visible. Step 4. Now drag the scroll bar towards left to move Start Screen in that direction. Did you know? You can also move the Start Screen by using any one of the following ways. 1. Click the right or left scroll arrows. 2. Keep moving the mouse pointer beyond the right or left edge of the Start Screen. 3. Press the right or left arrow keys from the keyboard using the zoom icon. We can use the zoom icon to view all the tiles together on the Start Screen. The steps to use the zoom icon are given below. Step 1. Bring mouse pointer over the zoom icon and click the mouse. Step 2. All the tiles will become smaller and seen together on the Start Screen. Start Screen, zoom icon, tiles on Windows 8 screen. Step 3. Now click anywhere on the Start Screen background. It will return to the normal view. Opening an application tile. Tiles, as you know, represent programs or applications. To open a program or application tile, follow the steps given below. 1. Bring mouse pointer over the required tile. Click the left mouse button. Click on Internet Explorer application tile. 2. The program or application will open. Internet Explorer application will open on the Start Screen. Did you know? An application will open on the Start Screen while a program will always open on the desktop screen. Opening any program or application. You can open any program or application loaded on your computer from the Start Screen. The steps to do it are shown below. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the blank Start Screen area. All Apps button appears at the right bottom corner. All Apps button on right corner. Step 2. Click the All Apps button. A list of all the programs and applications appears. List of applications and programs. Step 3. Click any application, program from the list to open it. You can drag the scroll bar to see applications listed beyond the right edge of the screen. Closing an application. To close an application in Windows 8, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Bring mouse pointer to the top border of application screen. The pointer will change to a hand shape. Shape of mouse pointer changed. Step 2. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the application window below the bottom edge of the screen and release the mouse button. The application window will disappear or close down. Did you know? To close a program window, simply click its close button given at the top right corner. Remember, application windows do not have a close button. Close button of the WordPad window. Navigating Windows 8. We can use both keyboard and the mouse to navigate in Windows 8. Here, we will learn to navigate or move around in Windows 8 by using the mouse. Using hot corners. Screen corners are very important for working in Windows 8. They are called hot corners. Because every time you hover the mouse pointer in a corner, a toolbar or tile will open, which you can click to perform some actions. Upper left corner, upper right corner, lower right corner, lower left corner. Hot corners on the screen. Let us learn what different hot corners help us to do. Lower left corner. When you are using an application or program, you can click in the lower left corner to go back to the start screen. Upper left corner. If you click in the upper left corner, it will switch to the previous app you were using. Upper right corner or lower right corner. You can hover the mouse in the upper right or lower right corner to open the charms bar, which contains several icons. Each icon is called a charm. Let us learn about each of these charms in brief. Did you know? Win plus I is the shortcut key to switch between open applications. Search charm. It lets you to find applications, files or settings on your computer. Share charm. It allows you to copy information from one application and paste it onto another application. Start charm. It takes you to the start screen. If you are already on the start screen, it will open the most recent app. Device charm. It shows all hardware devices that are connected to your computer, such as printers or monitors. Setting charm. This lets you access general settings for your computer as well as settings for the app you are currently viewing. Teacher's Corner. Demonstrate the features of Windows 8 in the lab for better understanding. Let's recall. Operating system is a software that acts as an interface between the computer and the user. Windows 8 is a popular operating system developed by the Microsoft Corporation. Start screen is the first screen that appears when you start up your computer. It is the home screen of your computer. Rectangular graphics displayed on the start screen are called tiles. Each tile represents an application or a program. You can click on a tile to open application or program it represents. You can close an application by dragging it to the bottom of the screen. The zoom icon lets you see all the tiles on the start screen at a time. The scroll bar helps you to move the start screen. You can use the hot corners to navigate in Windows 8. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Each dash is called a charm. 2. Small rectangular graphics on the start screen are called dash. 3. Dash is used to move or go back to the start screen. 4. To close a program, you should click as its dash button. 5. Windows 8 operating system is developed by dash. B. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. 1. The navigation pane displays the preview of the contents of the file. 2. Device charm shows all hardware devices that are connected to your computer. 3. We cannot use Windows 8 to operate touchscreen devices such as tablets and smartphones. Windows 8 developed by Microsoft Corporation. 5. You can use the hot corners to navigate in Windows 8. C. Match the following. Column A. Column B. 1. Scroll bar. 2. Lower or upper. 3. Settings charm. 4. Upper left corner. 5. Tiles. A. Setting recently opened applications. B. Applications and programs right corner. C. Helps to see the whole start screen. E. Open term bar. F. Helps to move the previous app. D. Tick the correct option. 1. What is Windows 8? A. Tile. B. Operating system. C. Start screen. 2. Which of these is called the home screen of the computer? A. Desktop. B. Start screen. C. Scroll bar. 3. Which of these is not a term? A. Search. B. Devices. C. Desktop. 4. Which corner will you click to bring up the charms bar? A. Lower right. B. Upper right. C. Either A or B. 5. Where would you click to go to a previously opened program or application? A. Upper left. B. Upper right. C. Lower left. E. Answer the following questions. 1. What do you mean by scroll bar? 2. List 3 features of Windows 8. 3. What are hot corners? 4. What is zoom icon? 5. What are tiles? Activity time. A. Find out the various new features of Windows 8 to make it different from the previous versions of Windows. B. Which app is most useful in Windows 8 and why?